In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill your nil returns, and it is completely an easy process to carry out. I'm going to show you right away. So you just have to come to your browser, you just have to type itax, and then you come here to where you have KRA itax. So you have this portal where you're supposed to log in, but since I know most of you can't remember your login details, so I'm going to show you also how to reset the password and set a new password so that you can be able to log in. So you have to come where this place where you have enter pin or user ID. So you enter your KRA pin. I've entered mine, and then you press continue. And then, since you can't remember your password, you just have to come down here where you have forgot password. You click it, and then you have to do these mathematics. It will be 170. Then you submit, and then you have to check your email, the one that you registered with. So I'm going to log into mine. And when you go to updates, they will send the new password that you'll use. So it is the new password. So you have to write it down somewhere. So that 9QFRZCMJ. So you have to come back to KRA portal, and then you log in again, and then you put the new password that you have been given. So so it's 9QFRZCMJ. Okay, this is 79. Then you click login. So after you have put the password that they have sent in your email, they will bring you to where you have this place where you have to write the old password, and then you add your new password, and then you will have to set a security question that you will give an answer to it. So here I'm going to write in the new password, okay, the old password that is. And then I'm going to create a new password. Okay, security, maybe I'll put my favorite pet, so I'm going to write it. And then you click here, agree. Then you scroll down, and then you press here. I have read the KRA, okay. Then you submit, and then after you have done that, they'll give you this pop-up saying that your password has been successfully changed. So if you want to fill your nil returns, you just have to come here where you have return, and then you come fill nil return, and then you have to come here and select income tax, residential individual. You click that, and then you go next, and then it's from January 2020 to 31st December 2020, and then you click submit, and then it's going to tell you your taxpayer or that, and you say okay, and you have finished. So you just have to print this and keep it. Okay, so it's already downloading. It is, and you have finished. Right in your nil return. Here it is. Looks like that. Okay, So that's it, guys. When you finish, remember to log out and you're done. Goodbye, and remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.